Okay, welcome to Monday. So this is just gonna be a quick video, 2-minute video, just kind of going over some bits of information. A couple things. Join my new Padlet link for math. I'm going to use that for posting visual images of some of your check for understandings and some of your start thinking activities. You'll start to learn what those mean. My homeroom, you kind of already know. So click on that link. Please join my Padlet. Okay, big ideas. So big ideas. My homeroom and Miss Clan's class, you guys should be good to go. We've been doing it all year. Mrs. Barnes and Mrs. D's class, I need you to log on to Big Ideas as soon as possible, starting tomorrow, Tuesday. So maybe your assignment lessons, the ones that I'm actually grading, are going to be on the Big Ideas website. So make sure you get on the Big Ideas, check that your account. If you have any questions on logging into Big Ideas, like you're unable to get in, you need to contact Mrs. Barnes if you're in Miss D's or Mrs. Barnes' homeroom, because I don't have access to your classroom on Big Ideas. For my homeroom, Miss Clinton's class, I'm your point of contact, so reach out to me if you have any questions on logging in. So log into Big Ideas. When we have our first assignment, I'll have an instructional video on how to log into that. You can skip down to Monday or Tuesday at the bottom of the lesson and check that out if you want. Yeah, please log on as soon as possible. And it's through, by the way, you need to go through Clever. And now that I think about it, you can actually check my resources for web resources. I have instructions on how to get to Clever and then Big Ideas as well. Due dates. All right, so all work must be submitted by Friday at 5 p.m. No extensions without prior approval from your teacher. And this is going to be a must. We've had a lot of throughout the year, you guys had opportunities to extend your deadlines and turn in work late, but we really need you to turn in your work on time during this situation. It takes a lot of time to go to these websites and answering questions and helping people out. You think in the classroom, one person may have a question, 4 people may have a question, the same question that the teacher can answer it. The digital learning, a lot of times, 4 people still have the same question, but it's not in a platform that they're all getting the same answer. So it's just a lot of time to creating the websites, to creating the content, to grading the content, and setting that all up. So if we're giving extensions of work that are past their deadline, I think I just swallowed a bug. It's really difficult to do during this online learning. Okay, all right, that's all I have. Go ahead and resume to the warm up.